everyone. So got a quick video for you today. Sorry, the background is the seat for my car. I'm actually here at work, and I just want to do this quick video real quick, so I decided to run out here and get this shot real quick so that I can give this to my coworker. But anyway, she had a baby a few months ago, and this is the baby's first Christmas. So I use this stuff. All of this is Calico Collage. The stamp that I use for stitching and for the lines is from Linda Israel's shop, and her partnership, I believe it's called, with Beeline Designs. Right here's just some vintage sheet music, and then this is a Johanna's Christmas, just a coloring page that, you know, wanted to use for this because the mother likes coloring, so I thought that would be a cute little idea. And so anyway, that's what we got. So let's take a look at it real quick. Here's all of this, that, basically all of the little elements. I made some tabs even. All of these, of course, aside from this, are Calico Collage. So go ahead and go check those out. It's really cool. It's a really cute kit, which, you know, you guys know this is not my style, but I like to grunge it up a little bit, make it kind of shabby, a little bit of shabby chic, baby's first Christmas type of thing. And I think it turned out really cute and really fun. So Santa's Littlest Helper. And then here again is just that coloring page. So that's a really neat idea that I think I'm going to do some more of. It's just something I kind of came up with, and of course that's not the most original idea, but I thought it was a really neat little addition. So here I made a belly band by doubling up two of Norella from Calico Collage, two of her little I think they're like washi, you know, they're printable, so you put them on paper, but they're kind of like washi strips. And then here I just made some tabs with my tab punch and some of Norella's elements. And so that one's a postcard, and I just used the Shabby Stitches stamp around it. And anyway, really cute kit. So this one as well, My First Christmas, that's also from Calico Collage, and this cute little cookie down there. And man, this kit reminds me of Christmas, or not Christmas. Of course it does, because it is a Christmas kit. Now, it reminds me of Candyland, you know? It's just fun and kind of quirky and really gives you the wonder of Christmas, you know, once again as an adult. So being able to celebrate that with new babies. I've also got a little mixed media piece. I did some paint scraping on a time card, and I backed this little element of Norella's with it back there, and that just gives a little bit of shine and just something different. So anyway, then we've of course got journaling space, and then I made this, you know, a little double tuck spot, and you put that right in there. So anyway, that's what I got. It's like a little card kind of folder thing, but I made the family a baby book out of a little golden book a few months ago, and made this the size that it'll fit in there, so you can just kind of paper clip it in or whatever, and so it can go right in there. You could even tuck it in a pocket, you know, just a little insert. So this isn't my design team project for Calico Collage this month. It's just a little something that I thought would be really fun to use with the kit. So I will be back in a few days with my design team project for Calico Collage. So you guys check back then. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you thought of this little project. I thought it turned out really great, and it was really fun to do. So I hope my coworker likes it when I take it back in and give it to her. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.